In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your Xbox controller using the recalibration tool on your Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings on your console. Then we're going to scroll down to devices and connections and go to controllers and headsets. So from here, select the three dots underneath your controller, and then scroll down to the bottom and select recalibration options. So from here, you can select either analog stick. I'm just going to do the right one in this example, and then we're going to select recalibrate. So what you want to do is begin the test, and it's going to show you exactly what to do. So this first one, you just need to rotate the analog stick around the edge. And after you've completed that, it's going to show this next one where we're going to go the left rotation. And once you've completed this process, it's also going to ask you to go up. We're going to go right, we're going to go down, and we want to go left. Now you want to try doing this as perfect as possible, and if you have a look to the right, the goal is to get that little white circle to be in the center so it fills up with another circle indicating that there's no stick drift there. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.